Auto On Off is a useful feature that will automatically activate and deactivate Eco Mode. Eco Mode is a setting that reduces your boiler temperatures to approximately 60 degrees and offers reduced energy consumption. To access this feature and set a time and date on the machine, go into Standby Mode by pressing and holding the center of the main display. Then press and hold Menu, then select the calendar icon. You will see the time and date settings are here. You can adjust them by tapping the time or date you want to change and then using the plus and minus icons that will appear on the screen. If you tap the Auto On Off option, you can turn it on and select a time for your machine to exit Eco Mode every day, to turn on, and to enter Eco Mode at the end of each day, to turn off. You can also select up to 2 days per week that you're closed, where the machine will stay in Eco Mode for the full day. Once everything is correct, use the back key to revert back to the technical menu. Use the back key again to return to standby mode, then press the power icon to turn the machine back on.